Hey people, here's my latest picks up for trade. This one here is like a inverted snake rake on one end and a Peterson mini knife style bypass tool on the other. Okay, there's that. Then there's this sort of worm rake Bogota style rake, really nicely done. And then there's this rake here, which is just sort of a ripple rake, just sort of random. Seems to work alright. And then I got a couple of shallow hooks here. These are highly effective. Got a couple of those. Closer look at that.
Full contest details are available in the Vancouver Sun. The 47th Vancouver International Boat Show kicks off the boating season.
Okay, and then I got a couple of short hooks.
You know, I was kind of ready to come home anyway.
They're polished up pretty good, but I left them a little thick so that you can sand them down yourself, whoever ends up with them. Another short hook.
Members, save $50 when you buy both home and auto insurance.
Hybrid hook diamond.
It's we gave you earlier for the Greater Victoria
handy pick. Sort of does the job of an offset diamond and a pick in one. And on the other end, that has a nice little bypass tool for the smaller locks. And then a couple of these came out really nice, offset diamond.
Here's Christy with a look at our weather forecast, and a lot of people wondering what that Monday morning commute's going to look like.
Oh, absolutely, and we're going to be getting into the details
there's
of the
one more of
forecast on the
those.
South Coast, Chris, but first I wanted to start off with a few warnings. There's some major wind chill factors that are happening.
I'm open to trade, generally locks.
Eastern sections of the Rockies,
whatever you tell me what you got. If it has to do with lock picking, I'm down for trades.
Now, the BC Peace River I'd
probably be able to break these into two sets,
even colder than that, down to
or whatever.
45,
open to any reasonable offers. So that's it. Peace and
so keep
later.
that in mind.